I had a very close family growing up. My mother's family, the Lloyds, they were from North Florida area. My father's family, the Mobleys, were from South Georgia. My family was very close. We did everything together, vacations, holidays. It seemed that we were always together doing something as a family. When my mother passed, the family started to go in different directions. Friends had taken over where family had been first. Family should always be important to one another's life. As your family grows, you should always remember where you came from. As you grow older, it forms the way you are in most ways. Your likes, your dislikes, the things that are important to you. Remember, God should be first in your life and family next. As your family grows, you will gain more appreciation for your present family and the family that has passed.